To siasa ma bende koro kwang'e weche mag Nairobi ni siasa ma karod chung'od bura ma Kibera koro pod medo kelo pogruok ndalo auchiel kende. E seche ma bende koro jaod bura ma sani Imran Okoth oramo ni koro dhi nyaka e debe mondo orakre kod jachung' e laro kom nogo tiko mar ODM Mwalimu Peter Orero. Migosi Orero mabende koro nokweda ahinya dhok mabende koro noti kod migosi Imran Okoth e seche mabende koro nitie dayo dhoge to kod tipo moro e pacho kae kowacho ni koro Imran nowacho ni obiro puonjo Raila Amolo Odinga puonj e yiero mabiro. Imran yande koro nosekwa kod moluor Raila Amolo Odinga mondo mi osirane na lwedo migosi Orero, wach mabende koro ne ok orwako kata matin.
This is a political period. We have been campaigning for the last 3 months. You are all aware that I'm contesting Kibera constituency. Of course, I'm the favorite candidate. We had gone for nominations. We were about 6 candidates, and I emerged the winner. We went for this nomination, including the outgoing MP, that is Imran Okoth. During that time, I was number 1 and Imran was number 2. And now, after that, I thought that maybe the nominations, he's claiming that the nominations were not well done. I don't know where he's getting this perception, because he was the incumbent, he was the sitting member of parliament, and they were charged with the arrangements of these elections and nominations. So he made all the arrangements of the nominations. He was in touch with the security apparatus, he was in touch with the government, and in touch with all the other aspects of the nominations. And after all, after emerging the winner, he decided that now he becomes an independent candidate. The only thing is, people forget very fast. When we contested in 2019 during the by-election, of course, the nominations were in shambles. I think the party leader said that there was no nominations done, and he was given the ticket to continue with the work of his brother. We were all asked to step down to support him. And because people forget fast, this time when the nominations were carried out quite well, he did not believe that he could lose the election. And I think that belief, I don't know where he's getting it from. Because he was not the elected MP. He was completing his brother's tenure. But the gist of the matter is that Mzee came to Kibera and asked him to step down in favor of myself. Just the way he had